News on Guru Militiaman. One of our members speaks fluent Arabic. You have to ask questions. Hey, I have heard this. Is there any validity to it? Question mark. What are they talking about in the streets? Question mark. What is the educational process? Question mark. Purchase power. About registering for the national card. Why? Question mark. Because that's going to be part of the wealth that is going to be replaced. They are going to give back wealth to the citizens. They are going to use those cards. If you don't have a card, you are not going to be a part of it. It's true. It's on Iraqi TV. Intel Guru Magzi via PDK. We do expect the census to be wrapped up this evening as far as the in-person counting, and then a day or two for them to have the very accurate census figures. Those final figures will be done very quickly. News on Guru Samson article. Deputy of the framework population census is essential for fair distribution of financial allocations. News on Guru Clear article. The Prime Minister's financial advisor Mazhar Muhammad Saleh confirmed the population census data will direct government investment to improve infrastructure and services, while indicating that national development plans will depend on the census results. Intel Guru Frank 26. This monetary reform education has taken a quantum leap. Notice the pattern. They did what we told you. They are going to talk to them about the monetary reform education. They are going to teach them about the history, the float, the coins, lifting of the 3 zeros. They are going to compare it with other currencies around their Middle East area. All of that has happened, has it not? Question mark. Yeah. News on Guru Sandy Ingram. Here's what's been happening behind the scenes surrounding the IQD banknotes that are outside of Iraq. Someone somewhere implied we are holding Iraqi banknotes illegally. There are a number of reasons why this rumor has taken root, but not to worry. No federal US agency has supported this claim. We believe this rumor was started by people who want to shut down IQD videos, and with good reason. Some of the claims being made on Iraqi dinar channels are completely untrue and have no documentation. The second reason for the rumor is the closer Iraq gets to satisfying its economic goals, the more illegal actors want to collect IQD banknotes for potential profits. News on Guru Sandy Ingram. Thirdly, we know Iraq has overprinted the currency and it would be convenient for the country to ignore banknotes outside of the country. We found the documentation that proves most of us are legal holders of our Iraqi dinar. This information was found in the US State Department archives. Here's what it says. The currency of Iraq is the dinar IQD, sometimes referred to as the new Iraqi dinar. Iraq's current exchange system is characterized as a free foreign exchange system with no restrictions on purchases or sales of foreign currencies. The Iraqi currency is fully convertible and can be exchanged freely with any other currency.